世界知名嘅森林河流之旅，請根據專輯上面嘅標誌，選擇你想聽嘅導遊語言。Please do not sit at the doorway. Come on. Are you ready? Hello? Anybody home? Are you ready? Yeah! Alright, here we go. Let's say goodbye to my friend. Goodbye! Oh, look at them. They're still waiting. Let's laugh at them. You're waiting in the line. Goodbye! I'm the Ripper crew. I'm your skipper. My name is Snowman. Here are the couple. Alright guys, here we go. Please look at your right hand side. This is the Tarzan tree house. There's a lot of scientists doing their research right now. Come on, have a look. Hey, let's say hello to the scientists. Hello. Oh, wait a minute. Where are the scientists? We change our plan. Our first mission is to find. Alright, we are the longest river in the world, 4,000 miles. What do you see at the front? Elephant? Actually it's a rock. No, I'm just kidding. You see those raincoats? They must be in the water for a long, long time. No, I'm just joking. Gotcha. We're in the jungle now. What do you see? Save you. Come on, remain seated, boy. Sweetie, remain seated. Come on. Oh my goodness. We're not gonna make it. Crocodiles. We call them crocodiles. Do you know how to lay? Chanel! I'm not afraid of you. Please, let's say hello to my friend, Dr. Chef. Hello. What is happening? We are the scientists. We are. Oh, that was close. That was. Anyone get hurt? Back to school. For those zebra who look at the right-hand side, is female. Do you know why? The scientist. Hello, Rosalina. Where have you been? The middle one is Dr. Excuse me? You treat friends like that? I'm sorry, she's your friend, right? Keep an eye on her, she will do the same to you. I'm sorry! No. Alright guys, we're having lunch. Welcome to the locals' home. Let's say hello to the locals. Come on, be polite. Hello! Anybody home? Hello? Are you guys okay? Oh my goodness. No. We lost again. Alright, stay calm. Everything is under control. Just the water, okay? I got it. Everything is under control, it's just a little fight. Any survivors? Any survivors? Give yourself